Tingnan nyo kung saan ako nang galing. Papakita ako sa inyo. Lalaki ng aking dahon ng saging, guys. So ngayon, happy Sabado sa ating lahat. Ano kaya itong in-order ni Inday Mila? No? Sandali. Sandali. Yan, nabuksan na natin. Of course, thank you Daras for sending my parcel and very fast delivery. Thank you so much. Deri Danyabad. Nag-order ako ng 5 kilo na malagkit. 5 kilo. Ito ay nasa 2,068. Ang per kilo nito is nasa 350. Ever since, dito lang talaga ako nag-order. Dahil trusted ko na nabili na akong gata. 2 gata. So, kompleto ricados na ako sa aking pangsuman. So, ayun guys. Masaya na naman si Inday Mila dahil makakapagluto na naman ako ng aking suman. Today, birthday ni Mandira. So, may kanchi. Happy birthday to you. And ito, lulutuin ko. Ayan, nakabili tayo ng broccoli. Ngayon, wala dito si Deepak. Dahil unang-una si Deepak ay nasa Chituan po sila. Maaga po siyang malis, like 4 o'clock in the morning. At ayun, bukas ang balik nila. Dahil may urgent sila na may gagawin doon. Natapos ko na yung aking suman. Meron pa akong isa. Talian ko lang ito. Tingnan nyo. Ang nagawa ko guys ay 31 pieces po. Ang nagawa ni Sis Mila lahat-lahat. Medyo madami-dami din no. Ito ay ano guys, 7 cups ang ginawa ko. So ayun, ito ang mga sobra na ito. Hindi ko ito itatapon kasi bukas magbabalensyana ako guys. Nagmamadali ako. Dahil pupunta tayo sa birthday ni Mandira. Nandito actually kanina ang 2 dalaga. Nagmamadali ako dahil pupunta tayo doon guys. Doon kami magdi-dinner. Talagang inuna ko lang ito guys kasi nga nasoak ko na yung aking malagkit na rice. Medyo ano na, padilim na guys. So kaya sabi ko kayo, mag-prepare na tayo kasi dumidilim na. And ayun, sabi ko sa kanila, hindi lang kami siguro magpagabi kasi takot ako umuwi ng gabi guys. Dahil nga sa mga aso, 'di ba? And malamig. Sabi nila, huwag ka mag-alala, Timila, kasi ano, nandyan naman daw si kuya nila na isa yung may sasakyan, yung pinsan ni Deepak. So, ayun guys, mag-prepare muna tayo guys ha. Ito na yung suman natin. Actually, ginawa ko na advance yan para may lagay ko na sa freezer yung iba. Kasi nga, di ba, malapit na yung undas. Sinadya ko talaga yan guys. So, ayun, at saka magbihis na si Inday Mila at babalikan ko kayo guys. Hello guys! I am here and we are here to the birthday celebrant. Good evening. Look at the birthday celebrant. My kanchi is very sexy. And me and Indira same. We are wearing black. Because Mandira and Yuhan same red. Look guys, the happy birthday girl. Very sexy.
And me.
What?
Migma.
Guys, si Deepak. Guys, kasi si Deepak. What?
We called Deepak Dai. Which one before we...
That is different.
Yeah.
That is different. I still remember. Not like this. I can know the packaging. But it's okay.
We don't find it.
Yeah. So this one, for who is this? Guys, sabi ni Mandira said, I'm ready to buy alcohol, but the one who will drink here, nobody.
Yeah.
Kasi si Auntie not here and Deepak.
Narayan told to me buy drinks for
Yeah.
him and told to Babu also drink little wine. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay,
What
let's
is the
see
Wi-Fi?
what you cook.
No, you don't have it.
What is this? Wow, too much chicken. And this? Kauli. I hope not. I hope not spicy. Wow, see? Bouquet for the birthday girl. And then, happy birthday. Yeah, simple lang guys kasi kami lang naman. So, ito na yung birthday ni Mandira. Last year, dito din tayo sa kanyang birthday. Kami lang. Ito na sila. Kami lang. Sila oh. Yan sila. bitter. Auntie? I feel like I'm drunk already. Why this is too much bitter?
I didn't make this one.
Yeah. Ang pait naman ito.
Right? It's fine. One more.
One more. Okay. Yeah. Ang tapang ng wine, guys.
आज फर्स्ट बर्थडे कहिले विश गरेर भन्छ लाइक टेल मी
Auntie? No. Ali, China. But I give Yuhan. Better Yuhan will eat with them also. Yuhan only chicken, he will eat this also. Auntie! Rajendra Bhai. Oh, Rajendra Bhai. Auntie. So, ayan na sila, guys. No, you said you are sitting
19.
sitting on 23. She said 23 step. She's telling running 25. Me, I will be 45 walking. Walking, step and running. Okay, guys.
Games. Marathon.
Kasi I will be 45 years old
Oh.
next month.
Any question? I don't want to be old. I don't want to be old.
45 like gun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why?
I don't want to be old.
You should be, because you should be thankful, no?